I'm gonna make a simple cucumber salad. All we have is a locally grown English cucumber. This is grown at Bay Produce, so it's grown in Superior. They are a local greenhouse that grows cucumbers, bell peppers, and tomatoes all year round. I'm gonna add like a quarter of this red onion. So you can take a tongs or use your hands and just mix that all together. And then I'm gonna make super simple vinaigrette for the cucumber salad. This is like the easiest thing you could do with our vinegars. I'm gonna do like half a cup of the snowdrop shrub. And then I'm gonna use our wild cherry vinegar. This is all locally harvested pin cherries and choke cherries. We spend a lot of time harvesting the berries in the summertime. So it's gonna be sweet, salty. It's kind of like a quick pickle. Smells good. I like to pour it over the cucumbers and let it chill in the fridge for like at least half an hour or so. And there you go. Homegrown and locally harvested adds a much deeper flavor to our vinegars, and then adds that to your recipes.